Alright, guys.
I guess.
We got Donnie's whip. What are you doing to it?
Installing these catless downpipes right here.
So it could be more louder.
Taking off the OEM cats and putting these right here.
Yep.
So straight turbo noise.
So you can hear.
Shout out to me because I gave one to him for Christmas. It's a full garage right now.
Yeah, we're packed out.
Yeah, we don't have much space in here.
Nope.
It's packed out.
Hey.
Yeah, it's in my.
Alright, so apparently Donnie's done installing it, putting it back down, and then we'll turn it on. See how it sounds. We got the Z-ski outside. Got a slimed doozy. And this stain. Stain's clean as fuck too. Some clear tails.
That's the dream.
Hey, low key the idle right now on Donnie's whip is pretty loud. That bitch is loud. Not yet.
Where are we going?
To the park.
We're gonna hop inside Donnie's whip. Gonna hop inside the whip.
It's warm.
Huh?
The co-star is quiet because it's warm.
Oh. Or else it would have been louder. Yep. Just to go for this.
Ooh.
It is currently 2 a.m. Got it done.
Can we hop in too?
Hop in.
You guys want to? I was trying to do less people for less weight.
No, you're good. Go for it then. We're going after.
Bet.
See.
Sponsored.
Things go down.
Gotta let it warm up again.
Dude.
Alright, the Donnie Adventures in the beam. Downpipes installed. Got a little burble action. Oh, damn. This is lucky fast, bro. Oh shit. Gapping Town. Oh. Oh shit. Damn.
Little brake boost.
Yup, I felt that.
And this is without a tune.
Yeah.
This is just a cat delete. Catless downpipes, intakes, blow valve, and a muffler delete. That's it.
They not ready for the tune. Hell yeah. The blow off, bro. Oh, that's sick. Can you hear it more loud now?